Hey everyone, this is Homeschool Arcade, helping educators thrive, and in today's video, we're going to give you some gift ideas for homeschooling parents. And don't forget to click subscribe and the bell so you're notified as we come out with new content. And just so you know, links will be provided for all the gifts down in the description. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so for our first gift idea for the homeschooling parent or guardian is, well, it's gonna be food. Because whether it's mom or dad, making dinners and lunches can just be taxing physically and mentally. Sometimes we fall so far behind that often we find ourselves relying on those reliable staples of mac and cheese, PB&J, or the ominous McD's drive-thru. Well, maybe a gift that you can give would be consider purchasing for that homeschooling family a meal kit subscription, such as Blue Apron, which, yeah, it runs around $70 a week, where they send you the food as well as the recipes and the instructions to build the meal. Or, another idea is if you want something a little bit cheaper than $70 a week, but still help relieve some of that mental stress of meal planning, you can actually find out there meal plans that you can purchase, and it'll actually explain to you what you need to buy at the grocery store. So that way you don't have to worry about that aspect of doing the meal. Now, while researching, we came across Mama Bowls, where for about $10, you get a meal plan, 5 recipes per week, 1 shopping list, and 1 meal prep sheet. And then there's also options where they will actually send a video on how to prepare one of these meals. And it actually sounds really cool to me. Now, the second gift idea would be consider buying for that homeschool family, perhaps organizing supplies. Now that might sound silly, but when you see how much a parent can accumulate over time as they're homeschooling, it's crazy. So things like shelving, crates, file cabinets. With teaching kids, especially young children, mayhem can quickly ensue and the mess just gets everywhere. And you'd be amazed at how helpful a single bookshelf can be. We actually invested in, it's called an IKEA Kalas bookshelf, which you can see in the background of some of our videos. Now, naturally, you have to find one that works on your budget. This particular one, it ran us about $120, but it's been a huge help in organizing all the books and some of the clutter that we pick up from homeschooling. Thirdly, learning tools. I'm talking about like telescopes, microscopes, learning clocks. Just like teachers in public schools, homeschooling parents have to use their own money to pay for many of their own teaching tools and supplies also. And I really like the idea of getting both, a microscope and telescope, so you can see how amazing small creatures are, as well as how amazing the universe is. Maybe take some time as another idea is find out what curriculum the homeschool family uses and offer to buy them some of this curriculum on their behalf. My family, we've been given the opportunity to do the review of a video series called History Alive. And what I've learned is the kids really enjoy it. And I think giving something like that, like purchasing a little bit of video curriculum or some curriculum to a homeschooling parent, would really be a good gift idea and be very helpful. Now, one more gift idea. This one's bonus, and it doesn't cost you anything other than your time and maybe some patience. But babysitting. Babysitting is a great gift because it gives me a chance to just spend some alone time, me and my wife, to just enjoy one another without some of the chaos of the rest of the family. We love them dearly, but we consider it as a really important investment in our family that we have that alone time together. So being a solid babysitter and offering that, and maybe even throwing in a gift card for a meal or something like that, would be a huge plus and a blessing to a set of homeschooling parents or guardians. I hope you've enjoyed these gift ideas, and don't forget to click subscribe and the bell so you can see all the new content we have coming out with Homeschool Arcade. Y'all have a good one.